अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। In a world full of fast minds and fast lives, what we need the most? Kindness. But I am very sad to say this, that we all forget it. I am Iram Banu. Today I stand before you to represent a speech on a very particular topic that we deeply need in our life: the art of being kind. Here we listen that we should be kind to others, but nowadays everyone is busy in their life, in their success and in their work. They cannot think about people that kindness is a word and it is our strength. They only think about their own. They think that they are only the one who wants to achieve their success, who wants to do something in their life. No one else can do anything in their life. It is very wrong, and we need to change our life, our world and our society. Have we ever think deeply that why is kindness called an art? Because just like art, kindness needs practice. It needs patience. It needs understanding. It is not just that when we born, then we are the kind person. It is a thing that we learn, we grow and we choose again and again. Now I would like to say something important. Kindness is not just a nice and a life. It is a responsibility. Be kind to others. We should be do good and people think about us. If we think that here is someone else, we care of him, then people think about ourselves. And that is very common nowadays. People only think about themselves. They cannot think that here is someone else, we take care of him and we need to be kind for him. Now this is the common misunderstanding. So our society think about only their own life. They think that no one is here, only we need to do something in our life. They think that they are the only one in the world who wants to become something in their life. Like a children, if he share his toys with his friend, this is not a kindness, this is a sharing. But this is the big misunderstanding of people by nowadays. They think only about sharing is a kindness, but it is not a kindness. Kindness is our strength. If we kind to others, then they think about us. Now I say that kindness means not just a life, not just a good. If we good to others, that is kindness, but not. That is not a kindness. It is about our strength. If we kind to others, then we can do anything in our life. Now I conclude my speech with this. Be kind to others, and if we kind to others, people think about us, not for only thinking about their own. It is very wrong, and we need to leave this, and we accept kindness, not just positive thinking. Thank you.